All right, guys, we're having a problem with the truck. It's not wanting to start. It's not the starter. We replaced the starter, brand new solenoid, everything's on it. It's still just doing a clicking. So some type of wiring issue, computer issue, I don't know. I'm tired of chasing it. So we decided we're gonna do a push button right here. This is how we're gonna wire it. So I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna hook it to a positive on our batteries.
Show them what it looked like because I couldn't see the push button. All right.
So this is going to go to the positive on the batteries. I'm going to run this wire into the cab where we're going to mount our push button. We're going to put this on the back of the push button. Then I'm going to run this wire off of the back of the push button. And it's going to go into our truck engine bay to the relay that's on top of the starter. It's kind of how we've been starting it with just a wire as of right now. So instead of him having to pop the hood and doing it with a wire, we're going to do it with a little button, make it easier.
Good stuff, man. All right, guys, I'm under the truck. Just running this wire that's going to be going to our starter. Running it with the factory harness. As you can see, that's coming directly out of the battery box and running along with our factory harness like so, all the way to starter. Now I'm just gonna creep on up through here on my creeper because the work down here under the truck is done. So yeah, boys. You'll see how wife's got the dash torn apart. It's madhouse in this truck. It'll be put back together. All right, boys. As you can see that little plug right there, we drilled a hole in the middle of it, sent the wire out through there. Excuse the nastiness. Gotta get that vacuumed up, but yeah, got that wire sent out here. Got the one that we ran underneath. All right, this is that wire that I just showed y'all. She put the plug in it. It's coming out of that hole right there. Not sure if y'all can see that, but yeah. Stupid phone won't focus. I see she's just pulling her wire in with all the other million wires and airlines we have over there going on. Alright, so now what she did, boys, is she took the wire that she fed from inside the cab, if y'all remember, and she landed it right there on that top screw. And that screw is the same screw that I would touch it with the positive from out here to jump start it whenever it wouldn't start on me when I was on the road.
All right, this is the one coming from the battery. We ran it from the battery up to the
That's the one that I ran when I got up underneath the truck, y'all.
Let's go take a little end piece and put it on there so then it can connect to our switch. So then we'll have this one that's coming from the
That's the one I just showed y'all.
Going to the switch. This one coming from the battery going to the switch. We got an inline fuse here, and we have an inline fuse down at the battery box. Back here, right here. And this one will be connected to this positive post back here.
That's how y'all do it. All right, boys, as you can see, she's got her end on here, like she explained to you she was gonna do. And that's what'll mount back here, correct?
Yeah.
And then you got your other end, which is right here, and that'll go on the other leg. And we're probably gonna, unfortunately, have to drill a hole right here so we have our push start. All right, boys, so we've got our hole drilled. Pause. Just gonna run it in through the back. Put your little nut up here. Pause. Nice and tight. there you have it. Just gonna run the wires up, boys. It's a big push button. This is my electrician, boys. My wifey.
Baby, I can't get this to close.
Alright.
Keep on pulling.
Alright. Alright. That's all you got?
Yeah.
Alright. Doesn't matter, boys, which way you do it, which leg goes on where. Just put one leg on one and the other leg on the other. And we pulled the button, push button back out because it'd be easier than having to fight it and tighten screws back in that little confined space. So she's doing this like this, make her life easier. Now the other leg, we cut it a little short, so.
I didn't cut it, it was just short wire.
Well, it was just already a piece of short wire, so. Working woman hands.
That's right. Man hands, baby.
Man hands for a woman. This ain't your stay-at-home wife. Wash dishes only and clean up whenever they feel like it here. Got mine. Gotta get your own. Now she's got both legs landed, basically. She's just gonna tuck those things back in there and there it is. There it is. Rest in peace, Rich Homie.
Nice, looks good.
And there's the push button, like an old school truck on the new school. So yeah, this should take care of our issues.
Alright, so now I'm not gonna hook it up to the battery yet.
Alright guys, so she got it somewhat cleaned up in here. We still gotta blow all that trash out of there and dust and hair and everything else. But we don't have any air, so once we get this thing started here, she's just hooking up that one leg she made that's going to go on the positive terminal of the battery. That's what she's doing right now. So see what she got going on there. That goes out. That's the one we ran under the truck. So she's just getting that tightened down, and we should be able to start this puppy. All right, boys. Moment of truth here.
Show them what it does, but just the key, how it just clicks.
All right, so I'm gonna push the clutch in. That's something I like to do. So I'm gonna show y'all what it's been doing. That's what it's been doing.
Might be dead.
All right, it's ready to turn on now. So listen to the click. That's all it's doing. But now with the wifey's work here, this push button, check it out. Good. Boy. put it all back together. She tore it apart too. So you fellas out there, second guess yourself. You could do it too. Just put a little bit of effort. My wife could do it. Granted, been blessed with a woman that, not your average, but you could do it. What's going on, boys? So here we are. This is later on in the day. This is basically the night of or whatever. So as you see, got the truck back up, back together again. It's my boots. Those of you that know, you know that I don't drive with shoes on. So yeah, boys. Wifey got everything put back together. We got everything ready to roll. So just gonna look up my GPS here where I'm going. North Dartmouth, Massachusetts. And we're gonna give this push button a try here. Get ready to rock. Check it out, boys. Boy, oh boy. That woman's
Please
good.
drive the highlighted route.
But yeah, boys, as you can see, wifey fixed Max. Everything was a success. Ready to rock. Got my headlight on because I'm just gonna go right down the road here to pick up my load, which is like 20 minutes away at the beer house. So I got my light on because I had to go outside and replace a little light bulb that was on my visor. So might as well keep it on. I'm about to have to put it right back on when I go drop this trailer and pick my other trailer up. So, but yeah, boys, that's gonna do it for this video. There's no videos out there on how to install a push button, and there's no videos out there on Kenworth T680s going through this problem. But I know that's a problem that other drivers have had. They've had to, because I've had it. So hope this video helps somebody out there. And you know, like I said, hope it's a help to you. If you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like. If the video helped you, smash that like button for me. It helps the channel a lot. It's greatly appreciated by us. And like I always say, got plenty more to come, so stay tuned. Appreciate each and every single one of you. I love you all. God bless you all. Until the next one, boys, we out.